Good morning, guys. I'm Dr. Purnima. I'm doing post graduation in anesthesia, first year right now. So, we are talking about flow meters today. Very briefly, I'm going to tell about the flow meters, not in depth, just to for exam sake. So, what are flow meters? What define the flow meters, parts of the flow meters, and physical properties of the gases, which um, should remember in this flow meter. So here the normal basic definition of flow meters, it just measures and indicates the rate of flow of gases passes through it, right? So what are these flow meters? These are measures and indicates the rate of flow of gases pass through it. Then parts of the flow meter. These are the parts of flow meters which I'm showing right now. Flow meters have this have a float or a bobbin, we call it. Bobbin is like we see like this. It can be like this is a bobbin we see. This can be like this here. Here we can see that this is the bobbin. It is like a kind of a cylindrical shaped one thing, and it can be a rounded shaped float also. This can be there. Then the flow control valve. Here it is the flow control valve. And we call this tube as a flow meter tube or a throb tube. This is very important name. You have to remember throb tubes. And this flow stop. This is the inlet, gas inlet, any gas, oxygen or nitrous oxide or air, anything can be there. So this is about the parts and the properties of the gas comes to the properties of the gas. Low flow, which depends upon the viscosity and it's follows Poisson's law. High flow depends upon the density and follows Graham's law. So how do we remember? One small cheat code I'm going to tell you. I watch Friends. Okay, whoever watch Friends know this. There is a person called Phoebe, and there is another person called Gunther. Okay. So I loves Phoebe, loves and hated Gunther. Okay. I love Gunther, but for a mnemonic sake, hated Gunther. So love Phoebe is L for low flow. Viscosity, it depends upon the viscosity. Love, viscosity, and it follows Poiseuille's law. High is for hated, D for density, and Graham's law. So high flow depends upon the density and follows Graham's law. Low flow depends upon viscosity and follows Poiseuille's law. That's how I remember this in a short form, but there is lot of understanding behind this. We'll discuss in another video, and I hope it helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.